Our School by eslkidsworld.com. This is our school. Our school is big. We have many teachers and students. In our school we have many different subjects. We have music, art, math, literacy, geography, history, science, and physical education class. In music class, we learn how to play musical instruments. In art class, we draw, cut, paste, and paint. In math class, we learn how to count. In literacy class, we learn how to read and write. In geography class, we learn about the world. In history class, we learn about the past. In science class, we learn the physical world through observation and experiment. In PE class, we have lots of fun. We run, swim, play basketball and football. We love our school. For more videos, click the like button or subscribe below.